Okay, now that everything is installed, let's set up our virtual environment. We're going to be using Python 3.1.1 for our virtual environment simply because from my previous demos, I've noticed that a virtual environment with Python 3.1.1 actually works best. Because when I tried Python 3.10, I was getting a bit of errors. So this is the best method. It's also recommended in their documentation page as well. You can check out Rasa docs to get more info on this. So let us activate our virtual environment. Our virtual environment has been activated and now we can install Rasa Pro. So there's like 254 packages that are going to be installed. So it takes a bit of time for it to install. So just make sure you have good internet connection so that the installation completes. Yeah, so there's 254 packages. As the installation is going on, you need to have your Rasa Pro license key. So you can go to the Rasa website and request for a license key. Okay, so Rasa Pro has been successfully installed. From here, we need to set our license key. So you need to have requested your license key from the Rasa website, as well as a license key from an LLM of your choice. So we're going to be using OpenAI for this installation. So let me just go and copy my license key for Rasa. So you're just going to paste it as a string. Okay. API key. We can now confirm the Rasa version that we are on to check if Rasa Pro installed successfully. Okay, so we are on Rasa Pro version 3.13. This confirms that our Rasa Pro installation was successful. Our license key is also able to be detected. Now we can set up our Calm tutorial. So this is how you initialize a template in order for you to start building with Calm. Rasa init template tutorial. So this is going to set up your initial Calm assistant and you'll be able to continue from there. We already have our vemp. Our virtual environment is already activated. So we're just going to add another file for the .env. So an env file. We can set up an env file so that we can have our license keys in that file. So as a template tutorial is setting up, you can set up your env file. Okay, so would you like to project be created? Yes. Now it's supposed to be here. Yeah. So it's going to initialize a model for you that you can train. Yeah, do you want to train an initial model? Yes. So you're going to get some files ready. You can see that the folders have already come up. It's training the initial model. As it trains, you can definitely set up your env file. So I'm just gonna go and get my license keys from where I've saved them. Just put them in my env file and save it. Control S. So now we have our initial model. You should be able to talk to the initial model so that you can have some initial data to start working with. So that's what is setting up right now. Okay, so we can start talking to our model. So that's how you set up your development environment on Windows. I hope this video was helpful. I have a GitHub repository with the same information, so you can check it out. I also do have a couple of projects on GitHub that have been built on Calm. Definitely check those out. It's going to help you a lot with how to structure your flows, how to structure your configuration file, especially with setting up the LLM that you're using, as well as the credentials file. So there's a lot.